Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this solar panel for the Ring video doorbells. This one is compatible with the Doorbell 4th version, 3rd, and 3 Plus. Alright, so right here we happen to get our solar panel charger for the Ring doorbell. This one has a wide compatibility doorbell solar charger, which is suitable for most doorbells, including the 3 Plus, as well as the 4. So this is what it looks like. The outside, it says it's easy to install, which it is super easy. You get 3 panels. You get the big one here on the top, and you get 2 on the side. This has a 120-degree adjustable mounting bracket, which allows you to adjust the position of the solar panel to any angle and maximize the sunlight exposure. It has 3 solar panels to ensure multi-directional and maximum absorption of the sunlight. So right here you do get some screws, you get a screwdriver, and then you've got these hole fillers. So you can screw into the wall and it would hold it. And then you have another little adapter right here. So this little part in here will connect to your Ring doorbell. That will give its power. And then you have these screws on top there, so you can screw the Ring doorbell directly to this solar panel. So then in here you have the instructions manual. So this just shows you how to install, which is super easy to install. It gives you the screwdrivers, you've got some mounting brackets, you got where it says facing up. They've got little stickers, so it shows you just how to mount them. So this is the bolts, you got the screws, and then you got your Ring doorbell. And on the back of this side right here, it shows you step 1 optional. Then you got step 2. So this is IP53 waterproof panel. It's made of IP53 polycrystalline silicone equipped with professional dust covers. This doorbell solar panel is dust proof and waterproof. It can be operated in conditions of -4 Fahrenheit up to 131 Fahrenheit. So this is just a few ways that you can install this onto your wall. And then they have the installation videos. You can use the QR codes right here. That's just videos to show you how to install this, but if you follow the directions correctly, it should be super easy. All you gotta do is screw in the solar panel to the wall, and then the Ring doorbell to the solar panel. It's super easy. So first off, this is my old Ring doorbell. It's not gonna work with mine, but for demonstration purposes, it would have 2 screws in the back, and you just slide it in, and then you got screws. Once you take off the top portion, it should screw right in, and then you have the solar panel here at the top. So what these solar panels will do is they will attract the light to help charge your battery. So this right here will go up into your device. It's not going to go in this one because this is the 1st generation and it is not compatible. This one is actually the doorbell that is only hardwired in. So you have screws here. So on the other doorbells that are compatible, when you take off the faceplate, it will have parts where you can screw in the screws into the panel. So then it sits onto the wall like this and it absorbs the sunlight just like this. You got the 2 panels on the side. You have a huge panel at the top, which gives you about 2.5 watts per hour of charging capacity. So once your battery is at 100%, even if the sunlight is hitting the solar panels, it will stop charging until it reaches down to a certain part, and then it'll start charging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this solar panel, I'm going to put on my new video doorbell onto this, and then I'm going to install it onto my wall and show you what it looks like outside on the wall. Alright, so this one's already been installed onto the wall. You can see that the panel here at the top, and you've got the 2 on the sides. So this one here does give you a 120-degree of solar light. So once this hits the lights, it'll start charging your battery. You've got these little tiny ones here. Even though that the sunlight is not directly hitting it, it still charges the battery. But if you wanted to get it charged faster, it will require direct sunlight. This gives about 2.5 watts of charging power. It's super chargeable. And then here is my doorbell. Right now, I think my doorbell is set at 65%. Once the sun starts hitting the solar panels, it's just start charging my Ring doorbell. But right now, it's not. It's kind of a little bit, it's showing that it is charging, but it's not really charging a lot fast because there's not direct sunlight, and most of these solar panels need direct sunlight. If you're looking for a nice solar panel to charge up your Ring doorbell, I would highly recommend checking out this one. This one does a really good of charging the battery.